Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. Kotlin Android App Development. Lesson 11. Dynamic Time Picker. Dynamic Time Picker in Kotlin. Android Time Picker is a user interface control for selecting the time in either 24-hour format or AM/PM mode. It is used to ensure that users pick a valid time for the day in our application. In Android, Time Picker is available in two modes. First one is the clock mode and another one is the spinner mode. In this article, we should create a Time Picker widget programmatically in Kotlin 5. So straight away we can go to the example to make. So we have to make a user interface using the relative layout. I'm using a relative layout, and to display the programmatically. So we are going to display the programmatically the time picker. So to display that one, we are making another layout, linear layout, right? The idea of that linear layout is linear layout, right? And the width match parent wrap content, the layout height wrap content, and orientation vertical. Right, so we will make this XML file first. So in order to take this XML file, I will open an Android Studio. I will go to new project. I will select empty activity. I will click next and I will give the app name as Time Picker. Time Picker, the language Kotlin, and the minimum SDK. I selected 7.1 and I'll click. So activity main XML. I will go to code and I will delete this existing layout. Right, and I will add my relative layout. Right. Now we have to make our main activity Kotlin. So we have to import the classes, view group class, linear layout class, because we are going to make it dynamically, programmatically, text view class, and the time picker class. So we will import the classes first. So I will go to my Kotlin file and I'll import the classes, whatever we need additionally. Right. Now in our main activity, here we have to reference the text view. No, we don't need to reference anything. Creating a text view from a XML file, right? So a text view by programmatically text view this. Same like creating a time picker programmatically. Time picker. And layout params, linear layout params, view group, layout params, wrap content, view group, layout params, wrap content. Time picker layout params equal to layout params. Time picker set on time changed listener, right? Hour and minute. Va hour is equal to hour. Va AM PM initially blank, and here we are going to use the AM PM decider logic. When hour is equal to 0 or greater than hour is plus 12. AM PM will be AM. If the hour is greater than an AM PM and the hour is greater than hour 12 PM, then it will be PM. So this is the decider for the logic AM or PM, right? And if text view is not null, hour while hour, if hour less than 10, hour else hour. If minute less than 10, minute else minute. display the format of time. Well, message time is hour, minute, AM, PM. Text view, text message. So this is the message. And text view visibility, view group visible. And after that, linear layout, find view by ID, linear layout, r.linear layout, linear layout, add view time picker, add view text view. So this is the simple program. So we will add this one. So I'll go to Kotlin file. I'll make my main class. Right. Now we can check our app running the virtual device. I'll click. So the Gradle will running. You have to wait a few minutes to load. Now its launch succeeded. Here see, we can see the date and time picker. Right, you can click here also, you can click here also. From here also you can select the hour, and the selected time will be displayed in the time text view. Right, try this one and learn the time picker. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learn how to use the time picker in Android app development. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any question, please comment in the comment box.